Alright, about to get back in. I'm gonna hold my camera down, not to reveal any plates. I'm gonna review my location. Alright, so what we do, we take this massive off-road horse, and then I go back to my barn back there. Time I have to build up speed before I can one-handedly record. This hurts really bad, especially on my cruiser bike. It was $80 on like Walmart or something. We're back here. We don't even cattle back here. Popped through the store. And for a bit I've had this open. Bam. Pasture, I'll record that in a moment. I tossed on both gloves. This is impossible. I'm gonna push my bike through this just to show you. I cannot do this. I go down those trees, out back here, and I'll go back to the barn. Goodbye. I'm not gonna do that part because I kinda can't, to be honest. It's gonna hurt, and I can't do it with the phone in my hand successfully. So we're gonna plow back in this barn. I'm gonna show you the rest of the course. As you know, we go through the gate. This is a barn for cattle. I show a sheep and a cow. But I think there's someone's freezer on it. Ooh. Back down that path. Now, what I'm gonna do is you transfer left pedal, right pedal your weight while pushing down. Then we can pick up some crates. So we're pulling in a minute. See? It's been about 4 minutes. I did the course about 6 times. I'll use my kickstand because that's others do. And that's new, bro. Gosh dang. I have this hooked up. The Mountain Dew. These two are mixing with Chick-fil-A cup. The bottom one's thirsty. Goodbye.